Hi again everyone, welcome to my precious garden, and this video wasn't planned. I went to my fridge and then looked up because I'm not tall, and I realized that I forgot to plant some bulbs. I thought I was in time and everything, and no, I forgot one pack of 7 bulbs of a white tulip. It's written White Valley, but it seems that now the name is Exotic Emperor. So I have 6 that are looking fine, and I have a 7th that is not looking so good. So I think this one I'm gonna put it alone somewhere and see if it works. And the 6 others are gonna go in a small pot. At first I wanted to plant it with some lilies. I had a so big bargain. Each pack was 10 cents, nothing. But I'm not sure because they say it's almost the same depth, and this pot isn't big, so we'll see. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. They were in the fridge because I'm zone 9A, and from what I saw in, sorry, I did put a name tag, but I forgot it in the fridge. So yeah, they say in zone 9A tulip bulbs need some frost time, and what better than put them in the fridge, but not that long, obviously. So yeah, let's go. I have my compost, I have my pot with drainage holes, and I had from previous planting I had some clay balls, so I'm putting them back in there, but I'm not sure it's completely useful. So I'm gonna put a layer of compost and then add the bulbs. So you don't want to add too much because you need quite some depth of compost on top of the bulbs. So I'm gonna put 5 around and 6 in the center. You want to put them near but not touching the pot and not touching another bulb, to give them some room. So that's what you want to do with them. You don't have to take out the coating of the bulbs. Don't know the exact name, but this one is just out by itself. It's a protection for the bulb, so you want to keep it. And then you gently add the compost. Quite easy at this time of year. I'm sure you've seen lots of other videos. That's just a video of someone, like many others, who forgot some bulbs in the fridge or in the cupboard. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna water it once, and it's gonna live its life. The one that is looking sickly, I'm gonna put it maybe somewhere in the ground and see how it goes. About the lilies, I'll have to find out another place to plant them. I'm not sure if this video is gonna teach you something, but the idea is just to tell you that it's okay. Forgetting things happens to everyone, and these bulbs are better planted laying in the fridge or put in the dustbin. So plant them and see what happens. Here it's only the 4th of February, so it's still gonna be okay. These tulip bulbs are early ones, early flowering, but what can happen is maybe they'll flower a bit later, but they will flower, I'm quite sure. And I'll try to remember to do a video following up, so you'll see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!